Let me show you the first latte art pattern to learn if you're a beginner, the humble heart. The first thing you need is silky textured milk. I'm doing mine today with the nanofoamer lithium to make sure that it's the right consistency for latte art. So take your shot and you want to swirl your cup so that it mixes the crema and makes it smooth and workable. If it's too thick, it can ruin your art. Then tilt your cup on an angle towards you, and the next stage is setting your canvas. To do this, pour in a thin stream from a few inches away and your milk should fall through the crema, leaving you with a beautiful golden brown canvas on top. Once your cup is half to 3/4 full, it's time to make your